ba Adom TV so Adom TV so be dwonjuma die so dia o kan se wo sempan sa kan na pensu ja me di Enoch Kwasi Wolanyo Wallace agudie catch back up the only nomenclature the professor's degree in sports the Al-Regina Wallace the nation's presenter and Messi kunya elkono quantum coding small do sa kan na pensu bio e Ghana gudim eja shano so ma se nwumaku no miensa omo na etachira bo medi san shesun kwetwen se jaw 1xbet have always told you that betting is better than sakawa bet the intesimo chin so twan before wouldn't be fu twan kuma bi adinu kuma sa no manum ka kire busuafo na hofo yere wo ma ofase fo na na mukunu mu eno mpranfo na se 1xbet ama boys enyo mo financial freedom na no bronya 1xbet didie niwie 1xbet didie na face kwa Easter so 1xbet and didie 6 match kwa na 1xbet eno and didie odi hujima ebetia boa na wasesa sika sem shebre na mum bet with money that you can afford to lose sika yere enyo ya no eno anedi etwa bet ope bet dia still 1xbet je fast mr do tashwi infection sedo gonorrhea syphilis candidiasis white fever na so depo na chwa okọ herbal shops pharmaceutical shops ne ma on sabet mi aka je fast betia boa ema opomodon sem so etimi asisiye sedimo gel and roll on your ultimate pain relieving gel you can do ba ko etu ya odi asifu pampas be pimo na se a sedimo gel and roll on odi wani kire ashaman me market an sabetia ka bitema so enye na hokra se utubi akoton ana se utode ye ho no obetia friend 0208219129 na on sedimo gel and roll on ye hwehwe nkomo ye hwemwa emaniema 2022 infama madama wo na etachira bo me no penso ye dia we can see un senpai saka enso 18 jam. The journey of 1,000 kilometers begins with the very first step. Yes, year FMF GFA 29th Ordinary Congress and Ebaso Ewo Kumase Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology. Great Hall and a science so kunu 18 Sambaso Eric Esidubodi Eka Etima Womo Ekopiem Ewonibi na Odesamani Ejai.
29th Ordinary Congress of the Ghana Football Association Vebrono and Yadi Abro Bibia Banawi and the Ghana Football Association and some more Kaya Nedia Womo Mosone and Sebia Corso or Congress Nasi and Yadrin Adina Yakaning Nefwa Edia Banawi and highlights Kakre Bamono Yara Ketias Okreko President of the Association and some of the Tuja Nessa Kwambia Sono Yaquanimono Ashgold and so a suspension 67-17 at Tuabano Sana Kokuria is Ashgold still yes suspend them at the FE Ghana football more and I think so no now 5,000 they say open so pray say yento swaba about the Ghana Football Association say president obe pray on a katakreku na be prayer about 50,000 Ghana cedis and I said utia sana what to me ako pribi about say we a club now to me establish a youth team racket okreku president kasano chim say omo 50,000 Ghana cedis as support so youth team Ashena Niama Timi Akoye at the Amawo and of course 300,000 Ghana cedis support ma referees so almost Sika is Triano and only Azaniama Bibrea the president of the association apart from another football for football football people DDS and the Congress no as successful as ever we ordinary Congress here trying the extraordinary Congress where you have to October why and I take over from Ketokreku and as a Ketokreku Etwaso as I am the president of the Ghana Football Association. From all of us here the great hall of KNUST Wakumas the 29th GFA Ordinary Congress near the Ebrewo. Kijuana Casaneri Casiri where the sports team and about together with our technicians, a camera man on duty near drivers on duty. It's been a successful day, a very tiring day at Nyamia Sodia Baby.
And see Eric Esedubodi Kijuana Casano and out in the cancer or the live reports no EFI a great hall Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology FA the Ordinary Congress of the Ghana Football Association the 29th edition no komono so 18 giant but Congress or Mremuno as a president of the Ghana Football Association no and be presiding over Congress na enra ordinary Nkomo Kakretwen San Tudwa emra na wone eye Congress members ehia e Congress na say.
For the first time, each Division 1 League club would receive a cash incentive of 80,000 Ghana cedis this year. In the just ended season, each of you receive 30,000 Ghana cedis. For the upcoming 2 seasons, each one of you would receive 80,000 Ghana cedis. Mr. Chairman, we would also continue With our strategy of supplying footballs, each team here from Division 1 will receive again 30 footballs for the upcoming season. Again, we will completely absorb the payment of officiating fees for all our clubs. Through a newly established relationship with Tourism Authority, each of our Division 1 clubs will be supported with 2 pairs or 2 sets of jerseys. Just to run through quickly, we will continue with our strategy with Welcome Ghana, where you receive shopping vouchers to shop for your players. We will also deploy for the first time a policy we call a crisscrossing policing strategy to manage our games in the upcoming season. Indeed, for the first time, and as you have been told, we will introduce a digital player license strategy. What that means is that club owners will not need to travel from Bolgatanga to Accra just to pick up your player license. This is
Admin Simon Okaku, president of the Ghana Football Association, presiding over Congress and the boss share change etimidija air Congress members efa Jumedia what sini team person na miado obetien sendie peja football no e de FBB ani daso uni na de akoba bia ani daso ewo na yakomu biwa na se Minister for Youth and Sports Honorable Yusuf Mustafa so etimi eko Congress na se na no so nkomo a odija e Congress ni.
The responsibility of the players and the technical team to exhibit the spirit of nationalism and patriotism whenever they get the opportunity to represent our country. Mr. President, let me just add that in all the effort the FA is making to develop the grassroots football, let me hasten to add that we should include in our development process the spirit of nationalism and patriotism among our players. Because I find it very, very, very difficult to comprehend or understand that the states will make all the resources available by making sure that we want to give opportunity to our national team, get them flights for camping opportunity, accommodate them for a very long period during camping, feed them, give them even trial matches. Then when these players get to tournaments, instead of focusing on the tournaments, the focus is now on their bonuses and what meanwhile they are being paid per diem to make sure that they focus on the tournament. It is time for our juvenile and our national team players to value the flag.
Honorable Yusuf Mustafa, Minister for Youth and Sports, Congress has seen another Sankumo so Eja Honum. But former Vice Chairman of the Ghana Football Association, George Kwesi FEA, and so PM Congress. After the Congress, na Central for any bomb Puno, and Koma also Edija, fun impressions on the Congress.
Minim said here mokese the promises na promises no matwuma dwuagina niam ba ko na mienu so 4 years ago this administration was ushered into office na administration we ushered into office no ye manifestos obia kan de obetimi aye na eniema obetimi aye no odi tuudwa min ko bebre so I'll give you key points. Some of the things that were captured in Ora Ketiye's Okreku's manifesto was to provide football boots to all Division 1, Premier and Women football. If you look at the manifesto, it's captured. In his last year as the FA president, and chair football boots. And let me make it clear that the football boots are not a gift from Mr. Ketiye's Okreku's bottom. Puma, who is a major sponsor of the Ghana Football Association, Onu and the boots na base yanchema class. In the enye sebi Onu ni bottom sika no dia koto. And that promise of providing boots for that 4-year period, it has only happened once. It was a campaign promise. So in 4 years, Owinia, Yabebo Autonomous Premier League. But the Autonomous Premier League out of
George Kwesi, a former vice president of the Ghana Football Association, Congress Assistance, still a Congress member, and on Como 18 to just a cat 4 years of administration in as a Ebanawia and a knee or Western Mexico or Mamma. Aya atwamo edition nkofo edoduma ogidie passe enamso ema wawi adwuma ne kama ede amo nti we ni nkoma ono so ede aba executive committee member Dr. Randy Abbey enso ekopiem Congress na sene nkomo enso nie
football enne as a Congress.
How? In what way? No, in what way?
Say eno ma Abdusalam epie kwe no.
Me Abdusalam me hu say epie say ana mo journalism ba ko ka kire me say opie because of something. I didn't see him. I've not heard him speak. I can't. By any case, it is his view. What about meeting? If he doesn't like what is going on, no sorry, no qua. What is the big deal about it?
You never say who say Congress no.
I am saying say, Masa, Omo ba Congress. Over 100 people never Congress. Oh, catch them say nipa ba ku sorry ko because he's not happy. Apart from one person, everybody else sat till the end. And yes, sir. So why is that an issue?
And Dr. Randy Abbey and on immortal Kwameja Kwechampo boom punimpu emna Congress ne ba na wie na o churches na nema ACL kom say Abdul Salam Yakubu new de biase president e be mo Congress na se ne kuku pai nkoma na ket edi tudwa no na se ne tibua emfa enti papa yi esesa ne kuku ene ne kaka eyi babam efi Congress na se Abdul Salam Yakubu ankasa e cheche mu enti a ofi Congress na se
football enne as a Congress e was so okay boom as a president una leader into speech you know it was so okay be say and cry sorry after Congress say if a president here yes a man another mandate for 4 years and count but unye kasentwie na meti ho obi ani me say akwa we dey want to abama if a president o kana gene no can some ya it's about who di mo hwe ye kan we hwe wanim na we wanim me nya za energy in now me dey me ko
okay
it is obi be say ono dey nya ne ya no better we tie asem we ya because asem we me insem no ka no ade anything to me football and enya me hwe e dey hu nya za wo say me tena
The Abdul Salam Yakubu new de biase president and alternate can say odin chechemu ejan e de afanienti a enra Congress na ekoso no osesa ne kukuni ne kraka na afi o kan batakari to so a oyifiri mu e Congress na sisanse na nkoma penfo edi e Congress na sena nyisheda nya botanti a wo mu ekopiem ho we ni nkomo no bebri na aka ye fro to nyame adom na se emrepa be mu a ye be sa de nkomo na aka eche netu ense ja so so ma se 1xbet o mo ta chiri pa e de betting papa ana ebo echirum na afi Sedimo gel and roll-on your ultimate pain relieving gel for pampas be pimo na se e kan du a etu yaw pain ase a Sedimo gel and roll-on kwa shama na so be ka bi ko tema so a on sabitia ka bi bitia form 0208219129 na on Sedimo gel and roll-on for twetwe enkomo ana afi Jeffas mixture edo titashi infections edo se gonorrhea syphilis candidiasis white fever na so dipo na achewa on satimika Jeffas mixture and also beboa emaniama akoye de ma we mu and sponsors ne mu etuturu ne hwetwuru twa techre bo amana no penso ye de agokansi on sempa ensa kan no enso ebrewo within the prof ike wala sakudi cash back open am of course evidence based sports presentation it meja radin tani ma onya okese yin fi be ne da so ni no fa onko be ne da so the act of being a good guest is to now to say goodbye.